Becoming great requires a strong and genuine desire, a noble purpose, and the company of positive individuals. This supportive community will provide you the endurance needed to navigate through life's challenges on the path to greatness. By providing you with sustainable and practical guidelines for your growth and development in the areas of faith, productivity, life, and business, Thrive illuminates the way for you to become the best version of yourself and position your mind for excellence. While we are confident in your ability to succeed and excel on your own, imagine how much better it will be if you were part of a tribe of successful individuals where you can learn from, network with, and receive coaching from those who are thriving in the areas you need to thrive. Join me and other special guests every Friday, 7 p.m. here as we unravel these principles. Join our tribe community by clicking the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. What are you waiting for? It's time to try. I look forward to connecting with you.